Hey guys, welcome to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how you can create an account through blockchain.com wherein you'll get registered for a blockchain wallet. It's an easy process, and this is a great website for you to dwell into the world of cryptocurrency. You can buy Ethereum, Bitcoin, or any of the other cryptocurrencies on the market. It's a great website, and in this video, I'll show you how you can register and make a wallet for the same. So if you don't have an account yet, just click on sign up and make an account. So once you put in all the details that the sign up page is asking for, it will successfully make an account for you, and also it'll ask you to verify the email. Just verify it through going into the Gmail of the account you used to register for blockchain. So as you can see, here's the mail. Just click on the yes, I confirm this is my email address button, and your account will be verified. And as you can see, to go into my wallet, it is asking for me to type in the password again. Just do that. Type in the password. Remembering your password for any cryptocurrency related application is very important, so make sure you do that. There you go. An email will come wherein it will ask you to approve the login. Just approve it, and that's it. You are in your blockchain.com account. As you can see, it says that it needs to update a bunch of account verification requirements. Just click on verify now. And you can see it says upgrade and verify, but since this is only an example video, I'll click on apply now. Just click on general, and here you can see a unique wallet ID has been created for my account. This is the ID that will be used for future purposes like trading or selling cryptocurrencies. And there are other options as well where you can link banks or link cards, whichever is useful for you, do that. And yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you guys found it helpful. If you did, subscribe to the channel, like the video, and also comment down below on what next videos we should make. And yeah, that's pretty much it for this one. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.